If you want to learn how to use CapCut on PC, how to edit on CapCut, then this video editing tutorial will show you how step by step. First, go to Google and search CapCut. It's going to be the first link, so just click on it. Or you can just go to their website, which is CapCut.com. Then move your mouse to download and you can click on download for Windows or Mac. So click on it. It's going to ask you where you want to save the file. I'll save it in my desktop. And once it's done, just open it. Then just wait for it to install. Then CapCut will run a test to check whether your computer can run CapCut smoothly. So just click on confirm. So this is what you see when you open CapCut. Just click on new project. And then from here, you can start to import the videos that you want to edit. Just add them in like this. And you are now ready to edit videos on CapCut.